Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add voiceover to a video in Canva. So let's get started. So first thing first, let me just show you real quick that you need to go to the video section from here, and now what you can see, there are lots of aspect ratio or dimension over here. So you can just choose any of these from here. It's like the mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram videos, and TikTok, and many more right over here. Just go with the one you need. All right. For my case, I'm going with the mobile video. And now, as you can see, we got a canvas like this. The aspect ratio of this canvas is 9:16. Okay. Then from here, you need to go to the upload section right over here. Then you can simply upload your files right into the Canva by tapping on this. But I have already uploaded the video that here you can see there are 3 videos I have been uploaded. So now let's just drag and drop into the canvas like this. Okay. Again, add another page for another video. Just drag and drop. And now again another page, and let's just drag and drop like this. There are lots of white background, but we need to adjust this video. So how we can do that? Just right click on the video, and then you will see the set video as background. You need to select that, and it will be adjusted as your needs. Okay, then again select this, it is already been adjusted. Then the last video, just select it, right click, and set video as background. So now you can see we have adjusted both of the videos. Okay, now if you just want to trim the video out, you can also do that. As you can see, if we just move our cursor into the first frame or the last frame, we can see that, then drag it down or also adjust it like this. Okay, so that's how you can simply adjust the videos. So let's just make it like 5 second like this, 5 second, and let's make it like 5 second or 6 second, and then again 5 seconds. So now total video length is now 20 seconds. So we can add audio like 20 seconds, then it will work on the video. After that, as you can see, we got a notes option right over here. So if we just tap on that, and now as you can see, add notes to your design. So for me, like, you can add the video script onto this notes section. So that will bring up the notes section into the right side of the video when we try to make a voiceover on the video. So it is very helpful. If you just go with the scripts, you can paste the scripts right over here. So let's just copy my text from here. Let's just copy and paste my script right into this. Okay, after that, what you can simply do from here, on the right upper side share button, just tap on that, and from here you will see more option. Just tap on that again, and then from here you need to select the present and record. You need to tap on that, and then this will bring up in this. Okay, record yourself while talking over the presentation. So now you need to tap on this, go to recording studio. All right guys, so as you can see, we got this. So if you just want to record yourself, like you want to make a face cam on it, you can select the webcam you have, like in this. But I don't want any face cam, so I will go with no camera. And then from here, from the microphone, you can use the default one. Rather than that, I will prefer you to select the microphone from here. Like, I have a dedicated microphone, so I will select this, but you can also select the headset if you have connected that earphone. Okay, so after that, as you can see, we got our start recording option. So when we press the start recording, it will start recording our voice. So just go with the start recording. As you can see, we got a timer, and then from here you will see different types of options, like you are getting a pause button to pause your recording, then resume button, then again end recording option to end the recording. So let's just end the recording to see. Let's again just cancel the recording to record again. Okay, so now let's just start recording and show you guys how you can record your own voice with it. We have our speech on the right side, and I will read the speech throughout the video. So let's get started. Believe in your power to change the world. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Embrace challenges, stay consistent, and remember greatness is achieved one moment at a time. Your journey starts now. So after going to this page, you need to just tap on the save and exit, and it will brings up to the point that we will go to the upload section now, and from here audio section. So now as you can see, we got a 22 seconds voiceover. How we can add this voiceover to the timeline? Just drag the voiceover and drop to the timeline like this. As you can see guys, in the first 2 or 3 seconds I am not talking, so there are empty spaces there. So now I need to trim this out from the audio clip. So how you can trim this part out? Just you need to adjust the timeline like this, then go to your mouse and right click on it, and now you will see the split audio option right over here. You need to tap on that, and now the empty part has been splitted out. Now just press the delete button in your computer or keyboard. Then what you can simply do, just drag the voiceover into the left like this. Just drag the voiceover into the timeline like this, and then adjust it like you want. Alright, so if you just want to trim out from the middle part, you can also do that. Just select the audio. Alright, like that, then right click, split audio, then again select the audio, like this, and then again right click and split audio. Then it will give you as empty space, then delete, then drag the audio like this, and let's just final adjust the video. After that, you can see the video has been playing without any transition, so it is being rough. Okay, so let's just add a transition in between the videos. How you can do that? You just make sure to move your cursor into the middle of the two clips, and you will see the add transition option. Just tap on that, and now there are lots of transition will be appear. So you can use any of this. So I will go with the dissolve one first, and let's just make it like 1 second long. And so again guys, if you want to add some of the audio effects, you can also do that. We got only fade in and fade out effect into the Canva, but there is no equalization or like denoiser or any of this right over here. So now I will show you how you can download the video and just share it. So now just tap on the share button, and then you will get the download option right over here. Just tap on that, and now again file type, you need to select the MP4 option. Just select that, and then you need to select the all pages from here. Do not click, make sure do not click this option or tick mark this option. Then just tap on the download, and it will start downloading the video. After downloading the video, let's just open the video and check it out. World. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. Embrace challenges, stay consistent, and remember greatness is achieved one moment at a time. Your journey starts now. I think this video might help you out. In that way, you can add a voiceover to a video in Canva. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a very good day and leave a like down below. Thank you so much.